Hi guys, so welcome sa ating second video on how to automate a funnel. So first is gagawa muna tayo ng pipeline or an opportunity. So dito maa-add yung mga lead na nag-fill out ng form and dito rin tayo gagawa ng stages niya. So we'll just have to add a pipeline. So dito yung opportunity, dito nyo makikita guys yung pinaka details or list ng mga leads and customers na nag-fill out. And then, paggagawa ng pipeline, dito lang sa pipeline, create new pipeline, and let's just name it as sales funnel pipeline. So, dito naman yung stages niya. So, we have new lead, appointment book, no show, canceled, pwede rin tayong mag-add dito ng not interested. Ito naman yung mga um, tao na nag-opt-in and then later on, hindi na sila interested sa service or sa product. So, let's just keep it simple. Ito na lang muna. And then save. Then punta tayo sa opportunities. So, as you can see, here are all the stages na inad natin. So, aside from the funnel or opportunity, gawa rin tayo ng web form or contact us form. So, that's from sites and then forms. And then, mag-add lang tayo ng form, start from scratch, then create. So, ito yung pinaka-default questions niya sa form. So, of course, the first name, last name, phone number ng lead, and then email address na din. And then, ito, pwede natin i-change. So, proceed or submit na lang. And ito, opt-in regulations lang to and then terms of service and then privacy policy. So, we will tackle this more on a different video na lang. And importante na we name the form para hindi tayo maligaw mamaya pagka nag-create na tayo ng funnel. So, ito, tatawagin ko na lang muna landing page form test. And then save. So, aside from the form, since meron tayong booking page, kikreate din tayo ng calendar. Nalang tayong settings, calendars, and create calendar. So, ito, personal booking na lang muna. Pwede din round robin if maraming pwedeng maging host or maraming pwedeng mag-handle ng, let's say, demo, tutorial, onboarding calls, mga ganon. So, for the sake of this video, personal booking na lang muna. And then ito, landing page, calendar, test. Team member, so ako lang, since ako lang naman naka-add dito sa account na to. Test, calendar, excuse me, booking. So, pag may gantong note, guys, ibig sabihin, nagamit na tong slug na to. So, medyo bagu-baguhin na lang natin. Ako nga, ren. And then, meeting duration, pwedeng 45 minutes, 1 hour. So, 30 minutes na lang muna. And then, the booking availability, kung tuwing kailan lang sila pwedeng makapag-book. So, mas okay sa akin, Monday through Friday lang. Pero pag yung client nyo is available ng weekend, pwede nyo rin siyang i-check na lang here. And then, business hours, of course, pwede rin siyang maging 9 to 6, mga ganun. Depende. And then, proceed to advanced settings. So, dito naman pwedeng makapaglagay ng description dun sa calendar, test. And then, yung meeting location, next na natin yan itatakal. Basta as long as makapag-create lang tayo ng calendar na pwede natin ilagay dun sa landing page natin. So ito yung available hours, yung meeting interval, duration, so on and so forth. And then yung forms and payments. So again, ang goal natin dito is mag-create lang ng calendar para ma-add natin sa funnel. So that's how you create a calendar, guys. So ito yung mga main steps or first main steps na gagawin natin if ever mag-create tayo ng funnel automation for our clients. On the next video, mag-create na tayo ng landing page like the homepage, booking page, and thank you page. So see you.